In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert Word documents to PDFs using Power Automate. This is a powerful way to streamline your workflow by automating the conversion process, ensuring that your documents are always available in PDF format without any extra manual effort. We will guide you through setting up this automation so you can take full advantage of it. Our journey begins with setting up your flow in Power Automate, a tool designed to simplify and automate tasks across different applications. First, you'll want to navigate to Power Automate. You can do this by visiting the Power Automate website or accessing it via your Office 365 subscription. Once you're there, the next step is to create a new flow. Go ahead and click on Create, and then choose Automated Cloud Flow from the options provided. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now, it's time to choose a trigger. The trigger acts as the starting point for your automation. Think about what event should kick off the process. For instance, you might want to select when a file is created, properties only, from OneDrive or SharePoint. This trigger will activate the flow each time a new Word document is placed in a specified folder ready for conversion. Once you've selected your trigger, the next task is to configure it. You'll need to set it up to specifically monitor the folder where your Word documents are stored. This ensures your flow is targeted and only processes the files you want. With the trigger configured, it's time to introduce Encodian's convert action. Encodian is a third-party connector that integrates seamlessly with Power Automate to handle document conversion. In the New Step search box, type Encodian to find the relevant connectors. After you've located Encodian, choose the Convert Word action from their list of services. Now it's necessary to configure this conversion action. When prompted, you'll need to specify the file name of the Word document, which should come from the trigger you've set up. Additionally, ensure that the file content uses the same trigger source. For the output format, select PDF, as this is the format we desire. Once the conversion setup is complete, the final step is to save the converted PDF. Right after the convert action, add a Create File action from either OneDrive or SharePoint, depending on where you want the document stored. This is done to store the PDF in a location that's useful and accessible to you. Configure the action by selecting an appropriate folder path where the PDF should be saved. For the file name, use dynamic content to append .pdf to the original file name of your document. Lastly, ensure that the file content utilizes the PDF content you've just generated from the convert action. And there you have it, your very own automated flow that converts Word documents to PDFs seamlessly. This setup will save you time and streamline your document management process. Remember to test the flow to ensure everything is working perfectly, and enjoy the simplicity and efficiency Power Automate brings to your tasks.